Hello, everyone, and
Just
welcome
a second.
to Microsoft.
Yes, Gulnaz, you're live. So over.
Thank you, Osman. And hello, everyone, and welcome to the Microsoft Post Build 2023 series sessions. Every year, Microsoft organizes Build, both on-site and virtual events. Microsoft Build presents an opportunity for developers, for students, for engineers, and technology professionals so that they can learn more about Microsoft products. And it's also where Microsoft shares major updates for Windows and its suite of productivity apps. As you can see on the screen, today this is the session of Microsoft Post Build 2023 series session, and the session title is Power Apps and AI Builder to leverage AI capabilities within Power Apps and applications. Okay, so we are the part of Microsoft Learn community, and you can join the community as you can see on the screen through this link, which is aka.ms/Microsoft Learn community. This is the community where you can engage with our diverse, inclusive, and global community of learners and experts. Also, as you can see on the screen, we are running MCT Community Pakistan Learning Room, and you can see the link on the screen. We request you to join this learning room so that if you are facing any problem during your jobs, or if you are learning something, you are a student, or any kind of the Microsoft technology enthusiast, we can help you. And so as we are the community of MCTs and other experts who can solve your problem, and they are very much passionate. So I would like to invite our presenter today, who is Khurram. So I am unsharing my screen and I will ask Mr. Khurram to present his session. Over to you, Khurram, and all the best.
Can anyone confirm? Do you hear me? So, hi everyone. Do you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah, that's great. Hi everyone. This is Khurram Ahmed, and first of all, thank you for inviting me for this series of sessions from Usman Lodi and Gulnaz Mushtaq. I'm privileged and honored to be part of this community, and let's begin the session. So we have the series of topics being suggested by the community organizers. I have selected this topic keeping in view the recent innovation in AI space. So my topic of presentation would be Power Apps and leveraging AI capabilities through AI Builder in Power Platform. So here is my LinkedIn connect URL. Feel free to connect with me for further training sessions or having technical discussions. Okay, I start. So I am now MCT from the last 5 years, and I have obtained certain certifications. I have passed multiple exams, and I have done some internal trainings of my fellow colleagues and some business users. So besides where Microsoft Power Platform, I'm also an Azure developer. I'm also a Power Platform solution architect, a Power Platform developer, and SQL Server database developer and administrator. So today's topic is Power Apps and AI Builder. We will be discussing the scope of Power Platform of Power Automate and Power Apps in their use of AI capabilities. We have different cloud environments. We have Azure Cloud, we have Power Platform Cloud, and we have a Microsoft Cloud. So in Power Platform, we have different technologies. We have Power Apps, we have Power Automate, Power BI, Power Virtual Agent, and Power Pages. And in Power Apps, we have Canvas apps and model-driven apps. So model-driven apps is using the Dataverse, and the Canvas app is using the visualization of desktop-like flavor for their interfaces. So the AI Builder has enhanced the AI capabilities, and they are utilizing AI features and integrating with the Power Platform. Through Power Platform, or specifically Power Apps, we'll develop business applications. We develop line of business applications, which are model-driven, which have a specific Dataverse behind it, and then we integrate it with other different technologies. So let's focus on the AI Builder part. I know it's a little bit dry information because when we read the text and we don't have use cases and running examples, it's difficult to grasp the underlying technology and its utilization. But that's the part of learning. We have to have some basic theoretical background, and then we will move on to the use cases. So AI Builder. AI Builder is a low-code AI capability that spans the Power Platform and Dynamics 365. It is a low-code capability. You don't have to write lots of code in it. It simplifies the things, and you have an up and running AI features integrated into your business application. We have AI Builder, a specific component, and that will be communicating towards Power Apps and further line of business applications to the Dynamics 365 platform. So just I have not it's like full screen. So what are the basic challenges of business application? These are the different business challenges that is a background of developing business applications. We have different budget constraints. We have developer constraints with having certain technical proficiency and upgraded knowledge with them. We have certain end user expectations, which is the business expectation. We have manual paper processes, and we have complex processes, like having some certain approvals from different departments of the organization. So IT department is the centralized authority to develop a relationship between the business users and the technical resources. So this is about the IT business partnership come into play. And we have certain old systems which are legacy of the organization, and these are based on old technologies. And we have certain IT governance practices to be followed to streamline their access. And we have everybody is looking forward for the innovation of different technologies. So we have to leverage existing technology. And certainly we have to do security and compliance with the existing structures in place. So these are the different background challenges of developing a business application. We we have this, we will move forward with this, keeping in view in this mind the different expectations. Now, here comes the AI Builder. What AI Builder does? Well, AI Builder is simply giving intelligence to your business. It has certain pre-built models and certain custom models, and you can define your own model as well. And ultimately, you can consume your model after being given certain trials and given training to that model. So these are big categories of the AI Builder component. There are pre-built models. There are 4 to 5 pre-built models, which is using the form processing and the data extraction. And basically, how we keep in mind, we have 3 areas. We have documents, we have text, and we have images. So we take these three structures and we apply models to it. So we have existing pre-built models, which does the purpose in the scenario of form processing. Like we have a scanned form, and that form will take the input from the scanned form. And certainly we have certain invoices, which have certain human written information, and the form processing would extract that information from the invoice form. And there are multiple examples for this. And we can develop our own custom models through utilizing certain AI algorithms or AI the features to facilitate our own customized requirements. And once we have that built, we have to build that custom model to certain flows, and we train that model for further evaluation and producing results. I will not go deep into the machine learning aspect, because my interest is to have some relation developed between AI Builder and Power Platform. So Power Platform, yes. So if we focused on the AI Builder key features and benefits, definitely there is an accelerated application development in the Power Apps. Power Apps enables rapid application development with its drag and drop interface, pre-built templates, and reusable components. It actually enhanced user experience as well. We have now intuitive and user interfaces for our application, and we have a seamless experience through business process flows in that Power Platform. And then we develop intelligent automation on it. AI Builder integration in Power Apps allows the automation of tasks and processes by leveraging AI capabilities like image recognition, text analytics, and prediction. And then we have data-driven insights. AI Builder empowers you to gain actionable insights from your data, providing valuable analytics and predictions within your Power Apps. So there are many features and benefits, but the most core features are of integrating AI Builder through Power Platform are these. So let's have a recap or a review. What are the underlying use cases of developing AI-based solutions in Power Apps? Okay, so first we have a customer service automation. So when we have an agent is there and a chatbot is there, and he has to answer customer replies or customer queries on the first interaction through a website, then AI Builder's chatbot capabilities would facilitate him. So we have a customer service automation, we have next document processing, we have predictive analytics, and then we have quality assurance. So there are different use cases required in different scenarios. So my idea is to give you a little bit use cases perception, so you can relate it where AI Builder can come into use. So like we have to forecast sales. It's a very common example. We have an existing history sales data, and we have to forecast sales data for the next quarter or year. We have to analyze customer behavior and demand patterns. So predictive analytics is being vastly used doing the AI approaches. And okay, document processing, I have already explained that we extract data from built existing invoices or customer receipts or different forms using AI Builder form processing model. In this way, certain manual tasks have been intelligently automated. So AI Builder, let's review the basics here. It's actually easy to use, it's actually empowering, and it is actually extensible. It is easy to use because you just have to point and click AI applications, and that becomes part of your main application. And everybody can learn AI stuff and enhance AI skills through this AI Builder component. And it's actually extensible, like you can embed within the Power Platform and Dynamics 365, which is currently we are discussing how it can be integrated in the Power Platform and Dynamics 365. So what it's also facilitating us, there is no need to manage separate AI infrastructure and complexity. And there are security, compliance, and user roles. The existing security, compliance, and user roles are also being used by the AI Builder. So it's reusing the existing structure as well. So this is the different areas where you can build your AI model. You can do prediction, you can do vision, you can use another vision, which is object detection, and yet you can, for text purposes, you can do a language classification as well. These are different areas which are quite broad, and it requires a lot of time to go into and further understanding of this. So I'm giving you this high-level overview that we have this binding classification available, through which we can build our own custom model. Okay. So this is the recent and existing interface of the operational use of developing AI models. Over here in the top, we are exploring documents, text, and structured data and images. So if we are dealing with the document, we have filtered document pre-built templates available, which actually processes the documents, invoice processing, document processing, and like stuff like this, OCR recognition like this. Similarly, if we select the text part, we can do the text AI features, which is one of sentiment analysis or text summary text processing like this. And then we have structured data as well, which is our existing relational data, which is the business information in our application. So, and then we have images also. So we classify images based on their specs. So we apply AI models on that images as well. So this is a complete specialized AI domain where we can learn further about the different image processing and the text processing and the data processing. So still recently we are now in 2023 and there is a Microsoft build series is now going on. So recently they have showcased in their build sessions. Build is actually a Microsoft event which happens, I think, half yearly, every 6 months. So where they showcase their latest innovations and what are the recent advancements in technology is coming. So they do the launching in this kind of events. So we have now AI with the GPT, generative GPT structures, and we are using a GPT model which are running on top of Azure OpenAI services to connect with your flows and applications. This is the recent Microsoft features been introduced in their, which are in the preview also, and they are still getting feedback on these new features. Like we are now automating onto the next level where we just define certain prompts there, and based on that prompts, the machine, the model automatically does the work. Okay. So if we can integrate in the Power Platform through Power Automate means, like we can define the complete customized flow where we can communicate with our incoming emails, and when there is an email arrives, we do the text processing inside that email, and we apply the AI builder or GPT model to do the reply of that email or do further processing, which previously takes a human intervention, but now it's if it's being programmed and automated this way, then they will do the purpose, and they will check the workflow mechanisms as well. So Power Automate and Power Apps both are utilizing AI features in their areas, and they are quite doing good quality stuff into it. So the other part of my presentation would be dealing with the certain examples of the built-in components, and let's review this as well. Okay, we have now, first one is form processing. So through processing, what you can do is you can digitize your forms to extract information, store and process them. The examples: extract text form information from PDF files, extract invoice information from camera. Okay, you actually pick a picture of through your camera of invoice, and the form processing component would extract the information and store into the database and process further actions. The form processing component will be very useful in these scenarios. Business card reader. So business card reader, we have pre-trained AI template to extract contact information from camera. On my left side, we have a business card in that mobile screen. Whatever the contact information is there, the business card reader component would extract that information. So in this way, we can automate lead gathering during trade event. If there is an event took place and we have certain business cards being received, so this business card reader software component would quickly read all the business cards, scans them, and populates your database with the required data, required fields, so you can do further marketing campaigns on that. Then we have object detection. Identify, count, and locate objects and images. So we have an image and we want to count different items in it, and the object detection component will do the purpose. Examples in retail environment, product inventory detection from smart food camera. If you want to physically detect the inventory through camera, then object detection component will be used. In manufacturing environment, it recognizes parts of machine, different parts of machine assembled together for the overall machine, and you can recognize the parts of the machine through that object detection component. So these are the pre-built models. So I want to give you a demo, but it would take a lot of time because depends on the environment setup, and I'm using a trial environment which is quite slow, and I have my own company trial environment as well, which I can do the examples, but it's also quite slow. So you can check out certain demos on this, but this would show you the different usability point of view. And you know, in Power Platform, the interface gets timely updated, or there is a change coming on their interfaces. So the information which I show right now might not be useful to the future demo session. Okay, so up till now we have developed a common understanding about a Power Apps and AI Builder. AI features are there, AI capabilities are there, and Power Apps, which are our business apps, are using that AI capabilities and moving into a more innovative and automation level. So that's the conclusion of my presentation, where I have gathered this point of view that Power Apps and AI Builder offer a powerful combination for businesses to innovate, streamline processes, and leverage the power of AI. With Power Apps' low-code platform and AI Builder's intelligent capabilities, organizations can rapidly build custom applications, automate workflows, and gain valuable insights from their data. And you can empower your team to drive innovation and efficiency by embracing Power Apps and AI Builder and unlock limited potential of your organization. That's the conclusive part. Okay. So right now, I'm giving everyone a very thankful for their time and for their understanding. I can quickly navigate to all the stuff, but it would not be useful. But I tried to build some initial level relation of the Power Platform and its integration with the AI Builder. So the above URL learned on Microsoft.com, the AI Builder overview. After reading 2 to 3 times, you will get a basic understanding, and you will review your existing knowledge. And if you want to develop further, you have to gain certain technical skills on that platform. And to evaluate and recognize your skills, you can do Microsoft Learning, and you can qualify for pass your Microsoft exams through Microsoft Cloud Skills Challenge exams. And these are the different exams numbers which I'm currently showing. AI 900, which is Microsoft Certified Azure AI Fundamental. AI 102, which is Microsoft Certified AI Azure AI Engineer Associate. And the PL 100, which is Microsoft Certified Power Platform App Maker Associate. So this is the initial step to develop an interest and career in the area of integrating Power Platform and AI, which will definitely have a value. It will definitely, there will be definitely new features will come, or integration of the new GPT technologies or OpenAI, but the basics fundamentals would remain the same. And once you have a basic grasp on those areas, you can develop a career on it. So I have overall 8 years experience, and this is my social handles. I have a LinkedIn URL and I have a Twitter handle where I follow the other professionals as well for their knowledge sharing, and we all learn through the community, and this is really quite important to be updated and engaged with the other senior professionals. So this at the moment I'm now concluding my presentation, and I'm hopeful you would have some basic understanding. And this is my first invitation to the community, and based on that I will develop further learning on it, or develop more different training videos or a podcast for takeaways of the new professionals to have a check on this technology. I'm thankful for everyone, and over to my community organizers. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Khurram. Thank you very much for your time, and thank you very much for the great presentation. And thank you, guys. Thank you for joining this session, and see you next week with a new session. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.
Thank you.